Today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Insta360 GO 3S. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for the Insta360 GO 3S with my own money. So currently on Amazon there's several bundles that are offered by Insta360. There's the GO 3S 64 gigabyte, GO 3S 128 gigabyte, and then there's the Action Bundle, which is the one I picked up. There's a Family Bundle, and then there's a Water Sports Bundle. The Action Bundle looked like it had the accessories that I would probably use the most, and when I purchased it a few days ago it was $466. Let's break into this little box here and see what we got. So this is how it showed up from Amazon. So in the box here is the camera itself. You've got some screen protectors. You've got the little wind muff, which is the little black wind muff that goes that sticks kind of right on the microphone. This is the vertical and horizontal action mount set. So you can, it's got a GoPro style mounting system there that you can use a thumb screw to and either mount it vertically or horizontally. So that should come in handy. And last but not least, and that is everything in the box, is this little guy here. This is a tether that actually connects to the magnetic lanyard that goes around your neck. This is just like a safety tether that will, in case the magnet comes loose from the tether or from the neck mount, this little guy here will keep camera from, falling down and being lost. In the past, I really wasn't too interested in the GO 3. Part of it was because of the lack of 4K video. The other reason was I just didn't see myself using it in my workflow. However, recently I have been looking for different ways to capture interesting and cool footage. So decided that in addition to the GoPros and the Action 4 and the Insta360 X3 and the Pocket 3 that I typically use for, in addition to my full frame cameras and drone cameras, I will use these just to supplement footage or use these as my primary footage. But I just thought that right now would be a good time to check out the GO 3S. All right, so let's take a look at the main box in the case, which is the camera itself and some of the accessories that come with the camera. Take this out and see, there's a little bit of instructions there just to kind of give you like a little quick start on that. And inside this box here there appears to be some there's the USB charging cable, and inside the main box here is the camera itself with the actual camera pod that comes out from the base. Just holds in by magnet, and a pretty stiff magnet, pretty strong magnet, so I don't think that's going to be an issue trying to come out. You can kind of see the difference between the Action 4 and the GoPro. This is the Hero 11. So the Insta360 actually surprised me a little bit. Thought it was a little bit bigger than it actually is. It's actually a nice little size. And of course when you pull out the pod itself, it's quite a bit smaller, of course. So yeah, nice little compact camera. And then you've got your lanyard, magnetic lanyard. Yeah, that's a pretty stiff little magnet there. But you're going to put this around your neck, of course, and then put that behind your shirt. And yeah, that magnet, I would say, is probably not going to come off unless it's really bumped pretty hard or something. So this is going to be your hat clip, or they actually call it now, I think, an easy clip. So this, obviously can hook on your hat bill, and it's got a pretty strong, it's just like a little friction piece there that's a little clip. Yeah, let's just pop the camera in there and try it. That's also magnetized too, so that's a pretty stiff little magnet right there. I don't believe that's going to come out unless it's really bumped pretty hard. If you can kind of picture that on the bill of your hat. And you can just pretty much angle this pretty much any direction you want to. The easy clip here will magnet to the neck lanyard, which then allows you to point this pretty much any direction again you want, pretty much from straight down to straight up. And well, there it goes again. These are just little click adjustments, so, and it's pretty strong little clicks there, so I don't believe it's not gonna really wiggle around or move after you've adjusted it. This is the little sticky attachment that they give you. I think if you peel this off, it's not so much of an adhesive, it's just a just sticky rubberized material, but you basically just want to stick this on some kind of surface, and then put your camera. Let's just peel these guys off here. I'll leave the other one on since that's the sticky surface. You do that, and then you can screw on the, well, not that one. It's the it's the last accessory in here actually. Okay, this is the pivot stand, and you can attach it here, and then attach this basically to, you know, whatever you can think of there. And it's not a suction cup or not sticky so much, it's just a somewhat sticky surface that you really have to kind of keep clean best you can. You can kind of see the little clip, or yeah, the little clip system here, similar to what the DJI Action 4 is with its kind of magnetic clip system. It's very, very similar to that. You can see it's got a real good connection to it. Pretty stiff magnet, and also these clips. You can kind of see it there. Yeah, that seems pretty stiff, pretty stable. Doesn't seem to wiggle or anything at all. And of course, you can mount your camera back in there. Then you can mount it to pretty much anything and angle it any direction you want to. This is the little safety strap that will go onto your neck lanyard. Loop it around and attach this to the camera pod, and just a little safety feature in case the magnet, you know, if it bumps off the magnet, it's not going to fall on the ground and get hurt. Okay, inside the screen protector box here, you open that up. They give you, it looks like two different screen protectors, and little application kit with some wet wipes, that sort of thing, to clean off your screen, and some instructions. And this looks like just a little application tool here, so I haven't really gotten into that yet, but I'm sure I'll put that on to the back of the screen here, just to keep it safe from any bumps and that sort of thing. Okay, this is the wind muff kit, or wind muff for the microphone on the actual camera pod. Little sticky side, and then a, you know, a soft side. So I don't want to take those out right now, but that's what that's going to be. And I'm sure I'll put those on there at some point. So in this vertical and horizontal action mount set, you're going to get obviously a horizontal and a vertical. Let's just try those on. And obviously you're going to put this onto a GoPro style mounting that will accept a GoPro mount and a thumb screw. And then you can mount that to pretty much anything, you know, whatever you want to put that on. So there's the vertical one, and the horizontal one's the same way. And those are just kind of a plasticky material. Looks like you wouldn't want to pull those out too far. They could crack, I guess, but they seem like they're pretty durable. And again, all these things that I just showed came in the Action bundle. That was, at the time that I purchased it, was $466, so I can kind of lay those back out. This is everything that kind of comes in that Action bundle. You got the actual camera and camera pod together here. You have the neck lanyard, and you have the, let's see, the sticky connector, the microphone muffs, a charging cable, the quick mount, and the safety cord that goes on the lanyard. And that is pretty much everything that comes in the kit right there. The one additional accessory that you kind of don't really see because it's actually attached to the camera, but they do list it in the in the actual action bundle kit is this little lens guard here. So these are made that you can, you know, bang the camera around pretty good and not have to worry about breaking the actual lens. And these are, I won't say that these are disposable, but these are made that you can crack these and just take it off and put a new one on without, and again, without damaging the actual lens of the camera. All right, so that was everything in the action bundle, but I did purchase a couple extra accessories that were in addition to the action bundle. Like I said, I bought some more lens protectors, lens guard, the little guys here that attach to the camera pod, and I think there's, I believe there's 2 in here. I'm not sure, but anyway, I got some extra ones just in case. With my action cameras, I do tend to. I don't abuse my cameras whatsoever, but I do tend to use them, and they do tend to drop sometimes. So I think those will come in handy. I'm not going to open those, but I am going to open up this the Insta360 carry case, which is made for the Go 3 and the Go 3S. Yeah, so in the box you pretty much just get this case. It's not an actual hard case like you would see for a drone case or that sort of thing, but it's a good solid case that, you know, it's got a little bit of flex to it, but I think this is going to be a good little case to pack in a backpack. So it's gonna give a little bit, but it's also going to protect the camera and the accessories pretty well. So yeah, you can see it's just got pre-formed little slots to put the different accessories. It's got a good place up here that's actually not a zipper, but it's just a good place that'll hold maybe the neck lanyard, the safety lanyard, the USB charger cable, that sort of thing. That kind of thing will go up in here. Okay, that's pretty much it. It's kind of a quick unboxing of the Insta360 Go 3S action bundle that I picked up on Amazon. And again, you can pick this up, at least right now, for about $466. I will have links down below, which are Amazon affiliate links, which will help out the channel. If you do decide to purchase, I'd be grateful if you went to the affiliate links that I have down below. Appreciate you watching today. And if you liked what you saw here, give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And we'll see you in the next video.